Good morning all, Mac Vlogs here, aka Ian. I'm back in Manchester Airport, and it's been a while since I've done an updated video from the hotel Radisson Blu Hotel. It is my favourite hotel in Manchester Airport, just for various reasons: location, the lounge access, the runway view and the lounge access, and sentimental really, to be honest with you. So one of my first trips to Orlando, Florida, my favourite place, where I am flying out to tomorrow. Hint, hint. Yeah, I like staying here. That's just a personal preference, but there is some nice hotels here as well, other hotels. Anyway, this is going to be an updated video. Sorry. I'm just excited that I've managed. If you've watched my pre-travel day vlog, I've managed to check in early here at Radisson Blu. I've never ever had that before. I just wanted to put my bag in early so I can go somewhere and they let me check in into my room. So anyway, this is going to be a room review, like a room tour, not so much a review, because I do like this hotel. No one's telling me to say that. It's just a personal preference, like I said. So not really a review, but more of a tour. So I'll show you what's included in this executive room. This is a non-runway view room. You can get a runway view if you have lounge access for the executive rooms. I'll show you my view that I've got. I've stayed here so many times and I've got so many videos up, so I'll link some down below for the runway view if you want to see that room and the view, which is awesome. But yeah, let's get stuck into this tour of the room straight away. I'll show you the view since we have mentioned that. There's the kind of main roundabout, but there is Terminal 2. That's a tunnel. You walk out of the Radisson Blu. You've got two entrances really. You've got the car park side down there. You can walk to the bottom of Radisson Blu and come up levels, or you can walk along where so that's the kind of hub where the train, buses, like a transport hub, all arrive and leave, and you can walk along the tunnel here into this hotel or straight to Terminal 2. A few other hotels pretty much that I have done lots of videos on, all these hotels in Manchester Airport. I'll give you a quick overview of this room. So yeah, excuse me for my stuff lying around. I've just dumped my bags and whatnot. But yeah, I'll cover some of the food and the dining stuff I get in more detail as this goes on, but you've got kind of chair to chill in, massive bed, huge bed, separate desk to do some work on if you wish, or just to chill. Nice TV, mirror, plenty of charging points, so you have a plug-in one there, you have a double plug there. Over here you have the USB and single socket, so a plug-in socket and a USB pencil, and same over there with the power outlet as well. So single plug, single USB, bedside lights there as well. Have a little rave, a disco in here. Get that there, and then the button above it turns off the lamp itself. Put that back on actually. Here we have a good selection of, you've got kettle, complimentary water, so free water, didn't used to be free a while back. You have an espresso, your coffees, and your espresso cups and mugs, milks, all of your teas, hot chocolate as well. There's some hot chocolate at the back there. There's your capsules for your coffee. Real glasses, you've got wine glasses at the back there. Normal glasses, and biscuits. The border biscuits, which you can get more of in the lounge. I'll show more of the lounge in my pre-travel day video, not so much in this video. But here you have the fridge as well. fully stocked, which isn't free. These are chargeable. With the prices just above there is the prices, minibar price list. It is pretty expensive. So yeah, that's us done. The main room really, because there's not much more to cover. I will go back and have a look at the food as well, as you can get room service and the prices. And the bin, don't forget the bin. Sticking in the hallway, you've got this area here just to put some bags. I have ignored that and just put my bags over there. But yeah, so much space in this room. Opening up the wardrobe space, you've got lights in the wardrobe, you've got robes, ironing board, press, fold out thingy, majiggy, thingy, yeah, that. Towels, or spare towels, that's spare towels, yep, I think it is spare towels, hairdryer. Look at these Radisson slippers, shoe shine. There is complimentary laundry service, lots of hangers, safe. We have the Bible, we have a drawer. Yeah, so much to this room. I don't know if I mentioned the price. Did I mention the price? So I'm paying £205 for this room for one night. It is February 2024 and I've got the lounge access as well, with the complimentary drinks and the view and all that stuff as well. So even more value for money now really, being allowed to check in early for that price. So bathroom, very modern, fully tiled, mirror, sink, glasses, shaver, point, makeup mirror. You've got the soap, Radisson soap. There's some spare towels there, even got scales. I will not be using them. Definitely not using them. Complimentary, so we've got complimentary body wash, shampoo, lotions, conditioner, vanity kit, and the shower cap. The shower is awesome in this hotel, in this room. Huge walk-in shower with a overhead kind of rainfall head on it, and then you've got the handheld option as well. Always amazing shower in this hotel, in this type of room. I like the little lights there as well. Got the light there, and you've got me and another light. So yeah, that is the bathroom. Just remember, put your key card or a card in there and you can keep your key card. But yeah, it's I don't know, it's hard to explain because for me it's just my favourite. And I've had lots of comments and lots of people kind of messaging me saying why is it this hotel my favourite, and what's wrong with the Clayton Hotel, what's wrong with, there's nothing wrong with any other hotels. I've stayed at those hotels, really nice. Clayton's nice, the Hilton one and whatnot. I've never ever really seen the skyline there. Is it? I'm guessing that's the skyline of Manchester. I've got to turn around now. There. I don't know why I've never noticed that before, being that I've stayed here a lot of times. That's pretty cool. And if you've watched my pre-travel day vlog last night, I had to travel down last night because of train strikes today, just to make sure I was down here for my flight tomorrow. I have just checked out of the Ibis budget hotel, and I've done another updated video of that room as well. And I was literally staying in, so level floor 5 I was, So I was 5 up, so that's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and along. So my room was just there, and I was able to look over to this direction. There you go. So yeah, that's really it. If you want to see the executive lounge access up here on this level in this hotel, I have stayed here many times. Probably just search my my channel for it, but I will cover some of that in my pre-travel vlog, which I'm in the middle of just now, so that's a bit strange. I know it's pre-travel day just now for me, and it's only like 11:30 in the morning. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a comment, give me some feedback. Have you stayed here before? Do you like this hotel? And yeah, if I can help you out with any questions, I'll try my best. Follow me on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you love Disney parks, love Universal, you love Disney cruises, or you're thinking about all that stuff, hit subscribe. All that type of content's coming up. I'm flying to Orlando tomorrow, and that's all I'm saying. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Until next video, I'll see you all then. Bye bye. Yes, I did forget. Well, I didn't forget, but I forgot to put it in the main clip there. The in-room dining. So, the in-room dining plan. Here it is. Some of the prices. I'll just scan it and you can pause the video if you wish. I am so tempted to try the pizza. I probably have the pizza here before. But there you go. So, apologies for that, but there's the times, the prices, and then you get a tray charge as well. You get £5 tray charge for room service. So again, thank you all for watching. Hope you're all well, and yeah, until the next video, see you all then.